In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to prepare your caliper bridge for new parts. This piece here is your caliper bridge, and it has steel shims that sit on it here and one exactly backwards that sits up here. Those provide a hardened steel surface for the brake pads to ride on. If the pads were to just ride on this cast iron, it would wear a groove in it, and over time that pad may cock or get stuck. Being that it's cast iron, and cast iron corrodes pretty good, you're going to want to clean these perches off with either a flat bastard file. I like to use a screwdriver. Push down on it to get off any of the surface rust. You can see stuff's coming off in chunks there. You could even go as far as using a wire brush. That, to me, the time involved in brushing them to a shiny polished finish isn't worth the benefit you get out of it. Being that it's cast iron, these will be kind of rusty within a few weeks. You just want to get the large chunks off. Got to clean this side and the inside. The caliper pad sits on there just like this, just like so. So you got to get both sides, top and bottom, inside and out. Clean our inside here. Some technicians like to install some caliper grease on these perches. Again, that's not necessary, being that it's an exposed portion of the braking system, and that grease will be washed off relatively quickly, being that the perches don't have any protective booting on them. They're exposed to the weather. All right. Once you got the top and bottom on the inside and the outside cleaned, you're ready to install your new parts.